Hey everyone, this is a little bit different from my usual videos. I just want to tell you about this thing called the 40-day challenge. This is by the Sociology Guy, and I just want to tell you a little bit about it. On his website, he has posted this 40-day challenge. He started it on the 12th of April. 40 days, 40 10-mark questions, starting off with education and globalization, and he's going through all three papers, 10-mark outline and explain, 10-mark with an item for you to practice. Each day he posts a question, and the following day he posts a student or a model answer for you to have a little bit of a look at. So get on down to thesociologyguy.com. You will be able to see all the student questions and the answers for you to have a go at if you want to go back to them. They are all there. It's under the model answers part. And if you want to continue and join in with this, please just check him out on Twitter at The Sociology Guy, and even on Instagram. Now, what I'm really excited about is that tomorrow he is going to do a triple treat, which means that he's going to post 3 questions, one from beliefs, one from global development, and one from the media. And I am going to be doing a video about the 10-mark belief in societies. So please check that out tomorrow. And I'll put all the links in the comment section below for you to follow. But I really hope that you join me there. Okay, bye.